Can you say hi to your baby sister?
Hi.
Do you know what her name is?
No.
Her name's Jenny.
Hi.
Do you want to come sit up here with Mama? Okay, come sit on the side. Ugh. You can hold her if you want.
Can I hold her, please?
Yep, you gotta sit right here next to her.
She's beautiful.
She does have cute little feet, doesn't she? See, look at her. She's saying hi.
Yeah.
What do you think? Good job. Oh my goodness. See her little hair?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she's making a funny face, isn't she? Oh no! She's okay. She's just saying hi. She's just saying hi. What do you think? What do you think?
Do you like your new sister, Julie? Is she cute? What's her name?
Jenny.
Oh, her name's Jennifer Marie.
Like your Julianne, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can touch her head carefully, though. Does it feel funny? Is it soft?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.